Hey there, Glenn. Amy here. I spoke to you yesterday. Here's the video we talked about. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that after COVID did its thing, business is picking back up for many. I'm going to show you what you can do to get more customers through your door. So I'm just going to jump in and start going through what I see and where I think you can get the most value. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start getting more customers through your door, okay? Often local business owners like yourself are too busy running your business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that you guys have to hiring somebody is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. I've found that giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business has resulted in some of those business owners raising their hands and saying, I like you, Amy, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video, Glenn, you like what you've heard, and you can see that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you with your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm giving you and do it yourself, that works for me too. The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for concrete conroe text, let's say. Google crawls websites on the internet searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords. It's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little bit of content, but not a whole lot of content. One thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see about 2,000 words on your front page. We're looking at right now with your site is we're probably sitting at about 800 words on this page. So adding 1,200 words of content with keywords that you're trying to target is going to help you get found for those keywords. And we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second, but not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. What does that mean? Well, let's look at your competitor here. So when I looked up concrete conroe text, these guys came up. And when we start scrolling through their website, we see content here, pictures, and they have about 300 words on here. Very beatable in terms of content. So what does all that mean? Well, this is a tool right here that I use called Ahrefs. It allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site. So here's your site right here. We can see that you're getting found for 69 keywords and you're getting 3 people a month to your website. So when we jump over here to your competitor, right there, we see that they're getting found for 74 keywords and 39 people a month to their website. And we can go in here and we look at these keywords. Concrete, conroe text gets 50 clicks a month. They're sitting on the first position on that one. Conroe, concrete, 60 clicks a month. They're sitting on the second position for that one. Concrete, contractors, conroe text. That's almost a tongue twister. 80 clicks a month. They're sitting on the first page of Google on number 9 at on that one. So just those 3 keywords alone, that's over 100 clicks a month that you're missing out on. So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing is to go and find what we call backlinks, okay? So what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say, another concrete site from Houston, Spring, even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, concrete, linking back to your site, saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, right? The more sites we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out and we look at your competitor here. We see that they have 13 referring domains linking back to their site, and we have to beat it. And not all backlinks are created equal, okay? So getting a link from Starbucks linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a home improvement or construction company or something like that linking back to you to tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have 13 referring domains. Now, we don't want to get the same amount as them when it comes to links. We want to beat them by doubling it or simply going out and finding quality links with power to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, and to take that traffic. And then last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing we need to go get, and that's what we call citations. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the map pack before. That's right here. Right below that is what we call organic. Now, I found you on page 6 at number 54. Keep in mind, the top 3 organically ranked sites on Google will take 80% of the traffic. So to get to the top of organic, we've got to get those keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then after you have all that, then you go into the map pack right here. And we click on view all. Well, actually, To get into the map pack, we have to go after what we call citations, and a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all those directories that are out there. We want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google you're legit. So I put you in this tool, and you had about 31 citations, and your competitor who's beating you had 56 citations. My recommendation is to go out and triple their amount. This will take you about 20 minutes per citation. So when you come in here and we're looking at view more, right? I looked for your business and found Murphy Paving on page 2 at number 23. So our goal is to be right back here on the top 3 position. 20% of the clicks on Google go to the top 3 positions on the map pack, okay? So once again, we went over content. We've got to get the content on your site. You've got a great looking site, but we got to get the keyword relevant content on there. Then once we have that, we want to go after these backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up to start driving traffic to where you're getting several hundred people a month to your website. And once we have that, we want to turn around and we want to go after those citations. So those are the 3 things that I think if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the concrete industry that we could capture the traffic of hundreds of clicks per month that you aren't getting. So what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call. And here is my information right here. Amy Batchelor, that's me. My phone number, that's my cell. It's 979-709-1593. If you guys do utilize those 3 steps I gave you today, you will be ranking on Google, you will be bringing in more customers, and you will be making more money. So don't take this with a grain of salt. Make sure you actually implement what you learned here today, and it's definitely going to help you move forward. So if you want to know more about me, you can look up my website, lodestarseo.com, or again, you can call me directly on my cell number. Glenn, I'm looking forward to following up with you and get your thoughts. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.